Traction Control TC in your 2006-2016 Volvo S80 II is part of the Dynamic Stability and Traction Control DSTC system. It prevents wheel spin by reducing engine power or applying brakes when slippage is detected. TC works alongside ABS and ESP to enhance vehicle stability, especially in adverse conditions. By default, your Volvo S80 II's traction control system is enabled for optimal safety. This means the system is actively monitoring wheel speed and intervening when necessary to prevent loss of control. Volvo recommends keeping TC enabled for everyday driving. To partially disable traction control, locate the DSTC button on the center console. Press and hold the DSTC button for 3 to 5 seconds. The DSTC indicator light on the dashboard will flash, indicating that traction control is partially off. Note that stability control may still remain partially active. This is a temporary setting and will reset upon restarting the ignition. To re-enable traction control after partially disabling it, simply press the DSTC button briefly. The DSTC indicator light should illuminate steadily, confirming that the system is active again. Traction control will automatically re-engage each time you restart your car. Refer to your dashboard symbols chart to identify the DSTC button and indicator. While not generally recommended, disabling traction control may be useful in specific situations. However, be aware of the increased risk of losing control. One common scenario is driving in deep snow. In deep snow, wheel spin can help maintain momentum by clearing snow and gaining traction through controlled slippage. Another scenario is track or racing conditions. On a track, disabling traction control allows for controlled drifting and can improve lap times during racing events. Important: these scenarios require experienced driving and should only be attempted in controlled environments to minimize the risk of accidents. Some Volvo S80 II owners use aftermarket ECU tuning kits from companies like Diablo Sport or Superchips to gain more control over traction control. These devices allow fine-tuning of traction control thresholds or partial disabling for track use without fully eliminating the system. The tuning software provides detailed interfaces for adjusting engine parameters and traction control settings. However, be cautious with these modifications as they can impact vehicle safety and may void your warranty. Stay informed about Volvo recalls related to the DSTC system. In 2023, Volvo launched a global safety campaign to inspect and update ABS TC modules due to potential firmware glitches that could cause false activations. Dealers provided free diagnostics, and most S80 II vehicles have been serviced by now. Keep your vehicle's ABS TC modules current through regular system checks. A qualified mechanic can perform maintenance to prevent potential traction control problems and ensure optimal safety.